Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link after a very mild weekend. Back to cooler conditions today. Brisk, nice to see the sunshine, but the temperatures today, 15, almost 20 degrees cooler than what we had over the weekend, and turning a lot colder tonight, but dry. Our next storm system, a coastal storm for late tomorrow night, around midnight, into early Wednesday morning. So we'll highlight that in just a second. We'll take a peek at the high temps today, and compared to the weekend when we had readings that were in the 60s, we were topped out at 46, and really setting up for, unfortunately, a colder night. Late at night, many of us will be down into the 20s. So threat tracker now through Tuesday day, and even early Tuesday evening, low-level green, but by late tomorrow, Tuesday night, and especially early Wednesday morning, some heavy rain and gusty wind. Gusts between 35 and 45 miles per hour. And yes, even some wet snow. A period of wet snow early on Wednesday morning, especially some of the higher elevations north and west of Providence. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if there's a small slushy accumulation in the northwest corner of the state by early Wednesday morning. Not a big deal. In fact, you want to talk about rapid improvement. By Wednesday afternoon, the sun actually comes out, and temperatures approach the upper 50s to near 60. So only in New England, where you can have rain and snow at 7 o'clock in the morning, only to have sunshine and near 60 by the afternoon hours. But that's the kind of a changeable day that we have coming up for Wednesday. Satellite photo shows clear skies. The system that I'm watching, our weather team is watching, is across Florida and the southeast. That'll be a developing storm that tracks north and east. So let's take this through the next couple of days and watch that red L. That's that developing coastal storm starts to intensify near the Carolina coastline. This is tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock. Notice here in New England we're dry. Storm really wrapping up by, this is midnight tomorrow night. And you see the shield of rain approaching our coastline. The rain and wind increasing, and that little shield of blue on the back side of the storm right in here. That's a band of wet snow. So some of the high elevations early Wednesday morning, we'll see some of this wet snow. And again, maybe a small accumulation. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if, like Foster, Gloucester area, northern Rhode Island, maybe picks up an inch of snow. And then by the afternoon, it's gone. The air is drying out. The sun will come out, and the temperatures will respond nicely. In fact, if you were to go to bed Tuesday night and not wake up until noontime on Wednesday, you would never know that you had rain and snow. So it's a quick system, but certainly one that will impact the early morning commute on Wednesday. All right, let's walk you through it hour by hour on the forecast. Well, first of all, I can tell you what, we're gonna jump ahead because tomorrow is pretty straightforward. Tuesday's pretty straightforward, and that is sunny, cool, and dry. So this is later tomorrow night. We're going to start at 11 o'clock Tuesday night. Now, watch the shield of precipitation, the rain working in. Now, here we are at 5 o'clock in the morning, rain and wind. The yellow and orange indicating some heavy rain. Now, watch the patch of blue, which is wet snow, swinging through 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. And then watch how rapidly it pulls away by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. And then temperatures jumping up the second half of the day. So we're cold and dry tonight, 11 o'clock, 32, and then overnight towards daybreak Wednesday, down into the 20s. So a chilly start, but sunshine tomorrow morning. And then during the afternoon hours, cool. We should be like 53, 54. We're forecasting 49, but less wind and sunshine, so it will feel nicer on your Tuesday afternoon. All right, here's the 7-day forecast, and showing that kind of half and half Wednesday with this coastal storm that clips the area on Wednesday morning, and then improvement by Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, partly cloudy, cool, 52. Some rain showers, much cooler Friday. Right now, the early call of the weekend, I think any leftover showers Saturday morning ending, becoming partly sunny Saturday afternoon, milder, and even warmer on Sunday with some sunshine and a temperature coming in at 63. So check back with me tonight at 10 o'clock on Fox Providence, 11 o'clock WPRI Channel 12, and then early on Tuesday morning starting at 4:30 a.m. with meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. So this whole late tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning looks a little interesting. We may be raising some eyebrows here early in the morning on Wednesday with some big wet snowflakes mixing in with the rain, only to have the sunshine return, though, as early as Wednesday afternoon. So that is the latest. Thanks for logging in to the Weather Now link, and we'll talk to you soon.